friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, let's say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, we are going to learn step by step on how to connect mobile internet to your PC without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you're brand new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step on how to connect your mobile internet to PC without any stress. So let's welcome back, friends. So let's see how to connect your phone internet with your PC step by step tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone. Make sure you turn on your data. So right here, I'm going to click on here to on my data. Having on your data, next thing you have to do is to locate your hotspot. So right here, this is my hotspot. Then you have to make sure you on your hotspot like this. So having on your hotspot, next thing you want to do is to head over to your PC. So you have to navigate to internet right here. This icon, this global icon right here, click on that. Then your PC is going to recognize the mobile version. So this is the mobile version. I'm trying to connect the internet with the PC. So Infinix Smart Plus 3. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on connect. Go to settings right here. Then from here, you have to look for network and internet, hotspot and tertiary. Then you have to look for Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you have to click on hotspot password. So this is my hotspot password. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I enter the password on my PC right here. So the password is 91 small letter A and small letter B 700. You have to type it the way it was written right here. Then B 0688. Then you can click on this eye icon to be sure if what you type is actually what you have on your phone. Then click on next. So you can see the internet has been successfully connected. So if you can come down right here, so you see that the internet has been fully connected. So we have internet access to Infinix Smart 3 Plus. So this is how to connect your mobile phone to your internet step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell. So each time I post a valuable content like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.